okay, this is how the VIP airdrop bot works. So once you tap on the link, it's actually going to take you to the bot. Then you tap on start. Okay, yeah, this is the bot. Okay, so once you tap on start, you're actually going to see this open app. So you open it, you tap on open, then it's going to take you to this home interface. Okay, so once you tap on home interface, then you are going to see these available tasks that you can actually do. So you are going to see these tasks that you can actually do to earn more of this coin. Okay, so I've done this. Yeah, you can also do this as well. Do this, do this, do this. Okay, then when it comes to this is invitation task. Okay, if you can actually refer your friends, so make sure you refer your friends. If you refer 5 people, you can actually claim this one. You see, I have referred 5 people, so and that's why I was able to claim this one. Okay, then so once you refer 10 people, you can tap on start to claim this one as well. So yeah, also this one as well, refer 20 people to also claim this one. So I think that's that about that one. So to connect your wallet, you can actually connect your tongue wallet. Okay, as for me, I connected my tongue keeper. So tap on withdraw to wallet, then you tap on here, you will see connect wallet. So just tap on it. It's because me, I've actually connected my wallet, so that's why you see my wallet here. So once you tap on connect wallet, it's going to take you to your any tongue wallet you have on your phone. So then you connect it. Me, I'm actually using tongue keeper. Okay, so I've connected my tongue keeper to this bot, and I've actually claimed the reward. Okay, so navigate to this my interface. So anything that is actually be mining for you, anything that you have actually mined, you can claim it here. Okay, just tap on mine, you understand? So just tap on tap on mining. Once you tap on mining, it's actually going to um start mining for you. Then you can tap on claim when it's time. Okay, after 5 hours, you can actually, after 6 hours, sorry guys, you can actually tap on claim to claim your reward to balance. Okay, then navigate to friends interface. On this friends interface, this is where you see the list of those friends that you've actually referred so far. Okay, as for me, I've referred eight friends, and I'm actually going to refer more. Okay, I actually have a community where I drop updates. So these people are from my community, so they actually joined through my link to this bot. Okay, then on leaderboard, once you come to leaderboard, this is where you are going to see leaderboard, right? um Guys, don't forget, just please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I provide a video that's actually going to be earning you free money online. So if you like this kind of video, if you want to see more, just tap on that subscribe icon on my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell, so that anytime I drop a video like this, you're actually going to be notified. Okay, so as I was saying, once you come to this leaderboard interface, okay, you are going to see those people that are actually on this boat as you are, and as well, you are going to, this 72 is indicating that you are ahead 72 people on this boat. So okay, it's actually indicating that you are ahead 72 people on this. So okay, this is the first person, this person has actually referred. Okay, this person actually have 26, okay, 267,940 of this coin, and this second person has 550 of this coin, and this third person. Okay, just refer people and claim more of this coin. You're actually going to get to the top of the leaderboard. If you can, okay, if you can actually put more effort, then that can take you to the top of this leaderboard. So I'm actually going to drop more updates on this boat. Okay, how you can actually earn. So for you to earn $5, they are actually giving $5 instant. That's 5 pool. So for you to do so, just make a video like this and upload this to your YouTube and or any social media. Or me, I prefer you to upload it to YouTube. So once you upload to YouTube, just copy the link of your YouTube, and I'm actually going to drop a bot link. I'm actually going to drop a bot link in my description below. Just tap on that, then you drop your video link in that bot, and you submit your pool wallet address, so they're actually going to reward you. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a video like this, you are not going to be miss out. Okay, you are not going to be missing out, right? So peace out.